Hi, I'm Mrs. Johnson, one of the counselors here at Westerville Central High School, and tonight I'm going to be talking to you about advanced placement.
Good evening. So this is our AP or Advanced Placement presentation. When we talk about college and career readiness, we want all of our students to be ready for college and career by the time they graduate from high school. So we also want students challenging themselves while they're here at Westerville Central High School. All of our courses are college preparatory courses, but of course there are other levels of courses that students can take, like honors, AP, and IB, which is International Baccalaureate. There's a lot of opportunities for students here at Westerville Central High School. As I mentioned, we have AP, we have honors, we have College Credit Plus, we have the career pathways, which include business and logistics, we have an engineering pathway, and we have a health pathway. We also offer several opportunities of different career centers, and there's also something called the Global Scholars Program. But for tonight, I'm going to be focusing on the advanced placement courses. So advanced placement courses are college level courses, and they are designed by a team of professors through the College Board. Now, the College Board is the organization that is in charge of the SAT, the PSAT, and advanced placement. And so at the end of an advanced placement course, the students have an opportunity to take an AP exam. And now this exam, depending on the score, could lead to course advancement or college credit once students graduate from high school. So the AP exams are taken in May, and they are on a 5-point scale from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest. Typically, scores of 3 or better will earn either college credit and or course advancement in college. The cost for this year's exams are $95 each, and we do offer reduced pricing for students with financial need. Here's an example of how an AP exam score could transfer to different colleges. So for example, you see the Case Western, if students earn a 4 or 5, then they can get either college credit hours, or they can skip over some introductory courses at the college level. At Ohio State, for example, if they earn a 3, 4, or 5, that does earn them either college credit hours, and they can skip over an initial course within that subject area. So this is just a sampling to show you how different colleges translate those AP scores into either credit hours or course advancement. So what are the benefits of AP courses? It gives students a rigorous experience of a college level course, but in the high school environment. So they still have the support of their teachers who are there to help them with those, soft skills we talk about that help students to be successful at the college level. So it's an opportunity as well for students to really go more in depth in a subject that they're interested in. They'll also be surrounded with other highly motivated students who are also interested in that subject area. It helps students to sharpen their problem-solving skills and also to improve their writing skills. And as I mentioned, those soft skills before, the teachers help them to develop their study habits and their organization and time management. And as I mentioned before, it helps or gives the potential for students to earn college credit. Here are the opportunities for advanced placement courses at Westerville Central. You'll notice that some of the courses, like AP Calculus BC, is only offered at Westerville South. Same thing for the AP Computer Science A is also only offered at Westerville South, but we do have students go to South to take those courses, and their counselor can help work with them to build their schedule. So we offer a variety of courses, and for some of the courses, it's recommended that they have taken some other prerequisites in order to get to that AP course. So I recommend looking at the academic planning guide to see what those prerequisites are. So AP and College Credit Plus courses, they can really help your student to stand out for college application and college scholarships. So the factors that influence an admission decision at a particular college, colleges will look at students as a whole person. So they will look at the grades that they received in their courses in high school, of course. They'll look at how challenging the curriculum was that the student has taken. They'll look at the overall GPA and the test scores, but it's not any one thing that colleges are looking at. They're looking at all of these things. For example, if the college wants a writing sample or an essay, they'll include that as well in the decision making. And also if the student shows interest. We tell kids all the time, reach out to the admissions counselors for the different schools. Believe it or not, they do remember students who make that extra effort to make themselves known or to show that they are very interested in that particular college. We also want students to talk with their teachers or their counselor ahead of time if they need letters of recommendation. And we want them to be aware, some colleges only want one letter or two letters. So it's important to do the research ahead of time to know how many letters of recommendation that student might need. If a college will only look at one or two letters, we don't want the student asking 5 teachers to write a letter. So just be aware of what the college is requiring. Another factor that influences admissions decisions is extracurricular activities. Colleges want to have well-rounded students that attend. And class rank is another piece to the whole puzzle for college admissions. So for college and career readiness, as I mentioned at the beginning, all of our courses are college preparatory, but we do offer the advanced coursework that can help better prepare your student and to help them look more attractive to the college that they're trying to attend. So if you have any questions, please review the FAQ document, and then I will also be available via Google Meet. If you have any additional questions, you can click the link to talk with me and ask any questions maybe I didn't address in this presentation or in the FAQ. Thank you so much.